name is Mi and welcome back to my third YouTube video already. I got commissioned doing a mural painting, and if you don't know what that is, because I didn't, it's painting on a wall basically. Yeah, and I'm very excited. I already started, as you can probably tell. My whole arm is full of white paint. Yeah. Well, I already did the groundwork, like putting on a primer on the wall and painting the wall white, so I have the perfect canvas. And I'm gonna show you what I will paint on this wall. So that will take a lot of time and that's a lot of work, but I'm really excited. First things first, we're starting with the sketch on the wall, and for that I'm using a projector, and it's really worth the investment, let me tell you, because this saves me a lot of time and it would have taken me hours to get the right proportions on the wall. As you can tell, the background looks different than my digital sketch, and let me tell you, I was frustrated. But this time was the real time of trust the process, because as soon as I painted on the clouds, I was so happy with how everything turned out, and the background looked way better than if I would have used a Starry Night blue. I used acrylic paint for coloring in all the characters because I did some kind of research and I read that acrylic paint is the best for colorful designs.
Mimi.
Finally, the most fun part of this painting, the outlining, and I used acrylic pens for that, which saved me a lot of time again. Hi, I'm back at my usual spot. I finished the mural painting and I'm impressed. Here, a few close-up pictures. I struggled a lot and I doubted myself a lot, but this was a real trusted process because, wait, I could never imagine this kind of result. Well, before I started, I thought to myself, okay, I know this is gonna be good, but I didn't expect it to be this good. I did a lot of nighttime drawing, nighttime painting, because for the vibes. And I had a lot of friends coming over, for which I'm very grateful, because I think otherwise I would have been stressing, crying, because I struggled a lot. And they helped me to just, I don't know, keep it easy, keep my mind off. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm very thankful for all my friends who supported me, my friends and family, of course. And I also had time to think a lot, and while painting I realized that, I don't know, I think it was 15 years ago, my dad surprised me with my first acrylic set, and I was shocked because he never told me that he liked my paintings, he liked my art, but this just made me realize that he noticed it and that he noticed me being happy when I'm being artsy. This just meant a lot to me, and it's just crazy that he surprised me. He gifted me this first acrylic set, and now first it started with painting on sneakers with acrylic paint, and now painting a whole wall with acrylic paint. It's just crazy how life gets, and I'm very thankful, crazy thankful. I think this was about 25 to 30 hours of painting. I'm so happy with the result. I hope you guys like it too, and I thank you for watching.